specs, and updates for the **2026 Kenworth T680 without explicit intro, outro, or stage directions. You're looking at a model year that pushes the envelope further in aerodynamics, driver comfort, efficiency, and tech. The 2026 Kenworth T680 retains much of the next general styling that we've seen in recent years, but with refinements that underline Kenworth's commitment to continuous improvement. The exterior continues to emphasize aerodynamic efficiency. Side fairings, turning vanes, chassis fairing extenders, and exhaust cutout covers are optimized to reduce drag. Kenworth claims that the next general T680 can deliver up to a *6% overall fuel economy improvement compared with similarly spec'd older T680s. CSM Truck 1 under the skin. The standard configuration across many listings remains the Paccar MX-13 diesel, rated around *455 horsepower. Paired with a 12-speed automated manual transmission. Texas 12, sittrucks.com. 2 performance specs like front axle load, rear axle capacity, and transmission options largely echo what was offered in late 2025, yet they're being packaged with more optional equipment and safety tech. sittrucks.com. 3. One of the most talked about updates is in the sleeper and comfort domain. Several dealer listings show 2026 T680s equipped with a *7.6-inch raised roof sleeper, and in many units there is a double bunk setup along with drawer-style fridge-freezer combos and an S-Bar AX3 bunk heater for cold weather comfort. sittrucks.com. 2. These additions reflect that Kenworth is no longer just competing on performance but also competing on livability for long-haul drivers. In some iterations, differential lock is standard, and upgraded electronic brake and safety aids, such as Bendix Fusion, are included. sittrucks.com. 2. On the safety side, the 2026 model continues to leverage Kenworth's ADAS Advanced Driver Assistance Systems suite. Features such as forward collision mitigation, lane departure warning, highway departure braking, side object detection, and predictive cruise control are available and better integrated. Kenworth.com. 4. The Driver Connect display is standard in the T680E, the electric variant, and is being better integrated even in diesel models to support diagnostics, ADAS feedback, and driver interface. Kenworth.com. 4. Speaking of the electric version, the T680E brings innovations such as a 3-battery pack configuration, peaky motor power ratings up to 605 horsepower, and ranges surpassing 200 miles. Kenworth.com. 4. Even though the diesel T680 is still the workhorse, the presence of battery electric versions signals Kenworth's broader push toward transition and flexibility. Market listings for 2026 show pricing in the ballpark of $169,950 for a well-equipped diesel sleeper unit in Morton, Ill. sittrucks.com. 2. Other dealer offers quote higher figures when extras or variants like dark blue or special colors or different engine transmission combos are specified. CSM Truck 5 in one listing, a 2026 T680 with a Cummins X15 engine and automated transmission, 12-speed, on a 195-inch wheelbase was priced at about $183,100. CSM Truck 5. Beyond raw specs, industry observers are watching fleet orders and how well Kenworth can fulfill demand. Early videos from companies like Prime Inc. already showcase new 2026 T680s arriving in fleets, with full walks and reviews drawing attention from operators. YouTube 6-1 Review asks whether the 2026 T680 is worth $160,000, weighing the cost against its efficiency, spec mix, and utility in real operations. YouTube 7 Another video focused on a midroof variant, dubbed the Green Machine, emphasizes styling, presence, and functional upgrades. YouTube 8 Dealers also highlight special editions. The T680 Signature Edition celebrates Kenworth's 100-year heritage, offering signature seats, brushed platinum trim, red stitching, unique badging, and distinctive paint and wheel packages. Kenworth.com. 9 In terms of chassis and mechanicals, listings for 2026 show front axle ratings of around *12,500 to 13,200 pounds, rear tandem axles at 40,000 pounds, and drive ratios in the vicinity of 2.64 to 2.79 depending on spec. The truck people tent wheelbases vary widely. Examples include 188, 195, 230, and 238 inches depending on application, day cab, sleeper, tractor, and layout. The truck people tent suspension is mostly air ride AG 400L variants consistent with demand for smoother, heavier payload tolerance setups. The truck people tent over time. The 2026 T680 further cements the next general lineage, refining rather than revolutionizing, but doing so in ways meaningful to fleets and drivers alike. Fuel efficiency claims, better ergonomics, added tech and safety systems, sleeper comfort upgrades, and the growing presence of electric variants all point to a model that is meant to compete both today